carbine from United States Army. You can choose between single shot and full automatic. It's very fast, very accuracy, very good weapon. Second weapon is original AK-47 Kalashnikov from Russian Army. Also you can choose between single shot and full automatic. Next one is submachine Heckler & Koch MP5 from German factory. These model use SWAT units, special police units and SAS. You can choose between single shots, 3-round burst and full automatic. Next weapon is very powerful rifle, Russian Mosin again from Second World War. If you see the movie Enemy at the Gates, this rifle was in this movie.
Which one?
Saving Private Ryan. Apa ni? Yang mana? Oh ni Mosin, is it? Mosin?
Mosin again.
Yeah, Mosin, yes.
And last two very powerful handguns. First pistol called Government from United States Marine Corps, caliber 45. Is 3 times stronger than Glock pistol. And you have on other stages. At last, level 44 Magnum, Dirty Harry. With this weapon you can kill the elephant or one shot. And prices for the exact shooting: M4 carbine, 20 shots, cost 500 Czech crowns. 20 shots from AK-47 cost 400 Czech crowns. 20 shots from MP5 cost 400 Czech crowns. 5 shots from Mosin again cost 300 Czech crowns. 6 shots from revolver Dirty Harry cost 400 Czech crowns. And 7 shots from Colt Government cost 200 Czech crowns. It's just possibility. All weapons is check and empty. You can make some picture holding, but never ever turn with the weapon and aim on each other.
Okay. So, ambil gambar?
Ada apa yang extra shooting?
Oh, extra.
No?
Tak nak? No.
And some pictures?
Yes.
Yes?
Check.
Okay, no problem.